One dominates the skies, the other the oceans. Now imagine if the best brains from both combine and work together. The outcome could be remarkable. The Oracle Team USA won the most prestigious prize in world sailing this year with a second in a row victory in the America's Cup of San Francisco. The next finals will be held in 2017, and the team are eager to maintain their technological advance over stiff competition. To do that, they're linking up with Airbus to find the best technology and innovations to make an even better yacht. But do sailing and flying really have a lot in common?
If you look at it closer, sailing and flying share a common DNA. It's all about lightweight design, aerodynamics, and efficiency, excellence in engineering and innovation. Look at a wing on an A320, for example, and look at the main wing on an Oracle Team USA boat. It's just the same. Look at the importance of wind forces on airplane and wind forces on the sails of a boat. They even look alike. And the speeds in aviation and boating share the same unit, the knot. So there are many similarities.
The Oracle Team USA have already spent time at the Airbus headquarters in Toulouse. As many as 20 Airbus engineers will work alongside the design team from the winners of the America's Cup.
Nowadays, flying and sailing, certainly America's Cup sailing, have a lot of similarities. We're literally flying above the water. We use a rigid wing now instead of a conventional sail. You know, a well set up boat and a well set up plane is a fast plane and a fast boat. So, you know, a lot of similarities between the two. We can learn so much. It's really exciting. I mean, just like having our engineers and the engineers at Airbus starting to talk, come up with solutions, talk about ideas. I mean, you look at the scale and the level of detail that is done here at Airbus. I mean, it's very, very exciting for a team like us. You know, we're constantly looking for improvements, and you know, you look around here and it's a very high standard.
With its own stiff sails, similar to a plane wing in fact, the Oracle Team USA can learn a lot about aerodynamics from the European airplane maker. For example, Airbus innovated by introducing sharklets on the wing ends, greatly improving airflow. In fact, the sharklets have a similar role to the hydrofoils on the boat. Both Airbus and Oracle Team USA also use carbon fiber material. But other work the Airbus engineering teams do on a daily basis during ground and airborne test flights can be used by the racers. For example, on their boat, more than 300 sensors on board provide real-time information to a server in the hull, from everything from wing sail performance to measure and angle strain. So imagine the amount of data that's collected on an aircraft like the A350 XWB. Airbus's team are the best in the business in analyzing data and fine-tuning performance.
When you get a brand new plane for the first time they fly it, they log hundreds and hundreds of variables. All the data comes in. They're testing, trying to improve the aeroplane, validate the design decisions that they made in the early stages. And this is exactly the same as when we launch our boat and go sailing for the first time.
It turns out many people who participate in extreme sailing are also huge aviation fans. The skipper of the Oracle Team USA has a pilot's license, for example, and many who work in civil aviation are also amateur sea dogs. But what can Airbus achieve from this groundbreaking collaboration?
We have a lot to learn from them, whether it be in ways of working, use of technologies, or innovation and speed. They are a true race team. They are great partners. I wish them all the best.
I think we can teach them a little bit. One of the challenges of a giant company like Airbus is that it is a giant company. We're much more like a startup. Every America's Cup, we almost start from scratch. We have to be nimble, we have to be quick, we have to be able to adapt to changes almost overnight. And in the last America's Cup, we were able to use that capability to finally win the Cup.
With the next America's Cup in 2017, they're going to have their own race cut out, a race against the clock to have their new innovations of the future ready in time.